huge herd of elephants. Look at that. Ruby, look behind. And look at the little babies in the middle. They're so cute.
They're all crossing.
Yep, yep.
Cross. I think they're trying to